Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy watching and want more, go ahead and subscribe. I keep things simple, helpful, and easy to understand. Let's jump in.
When you accidentally delete a draft in Microsoft Outlook, it does not simply vanish into thin air immediately. Instead, it moves directly to your deleted items folder or your trash bin. This is the first place you should look if you need to recover a lost message or a half-finished email. Open your folder list on the left side of the screen and click on Deleted Items. Scroll through the list to find your draft, then right-click it and select the option to move it back to your drafts folder. If you cannot find the draft in your deleted items, you might need to check the Recoverable Items folder very carefully. This hidden area holds items that were recently purged from the main trash. To find this, click on the Deleted Items folder and look for a link at the top of the message list that says Recover Items Deleted from this folder. A new window pops up showing everything that can still be saved. Select your draft and click Restore Selected Items to bring it back to its original spot. Outlook usually keeps these files for 30 days before they are permanently gone. If you use the Shift and Delete keys together, the draft might bypass the trash entirely, making it much harder to get back. Always check your sync settings if you are using Outlook on a mobile device, as some settings might delete items faster than others. Recovering a draft is usually a quick process if you act fast. Check both the trash and the recoverable section before giving up on your work.
Thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, tap the thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss anything new. See you next time.